how you can easily split your screens on your Windows PC. First, head over to your browser. As you can see, I have two opening browser here, and as you can see, now I can't split the screen directly. Or here, you have to click it manually until you see until you see the hover button, rectangular transparent button in the background. You can just leave it, and as you can see, it has been stocked in the right side of the screen. And for the left side of the screen, you can select any of your opening application, and I will select for example this tab, and whenever I press that, it automatically gets attached to the left side of your screen. So this is one way to attach your screens on the either sides, split your screens on either sides of your main screen. So another way to do that is you can simply use a handy keyboard shortcuts. So for that, let me show you how it's done. So let me just revert to whatever it was before. You can simply press Windows plus right key to stick it to the right side of the screen, and simply click on any other screen to fit it on the left side of the screen, just like that. So that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can split the screen easily on your Windows PC. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.